Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have a screen protector for your Galaxy Z Fold 6. But before I get into this video, you already know what I'm gonna say. Check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. You picked up the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and you are looking for a screen protector. Look no further. This one I picked up from BENKS. This is their GlassWarrior screen protector. They actually sent it out to me for a review. If you stay tuned to the channel, I have other screen protectors coming in, so I will be comparing them to this one. I will have the links in the description. You can save like 15% off using the code. Look in the description for that code also. It helps support the channel. I do have cases coming from BENKS too that I will be reviewing, so stay tuned. But nice packaging from them. They have that little guy up there, that little logo. If y'all want to pause that, y'all can definitely do so. But let's see what you get in the box. I've never used a screen protector from BENKS before, so you have this little guide here. It says top. Then you get some instructions. Who reads instructions these days? Nobody. Okay, maybe some people do. And then you have a bunch of installation guides in here. Installation kit. You have your screen protector here. That's pretty cool. Since 2008. Trolling sticker. You know, you can put that somewhere. So, I'm going to take this out. Let's see what you get in here. It's like Christmas. So, you get a wipe. You get some dust removers. And that's about it. So, first thing you want to do is power off your phone. Always power off your phone. Now, if you can do this overnight, it probably would be better. That way you can just let it sit. And what you want to do is, I'm going to try to get this on camera. It's a little rocky there. But you want to wipe off your glass. Make sure you clean it good, because you don't want any oils from your fingers or anything else. So if you can even do this before you unbox it, or once you unbox it, put a screen protector on there, that might be even better. Then you want to wipe it off. You know how many little cloths we have as like techies? And I mean, I have so many just laying around the house. Just sitting here. I can resell them or something. Make a quilt. So you want to do all that. You can even put this guide on here. And then what you want to do is you quickly remove the dust, because you don't want any dust bunnies. You don't want no little dust bunnies. Dust bunnies are the worst. But if you get some, you can take it off and try it again. I mean, even if you want to take this off so you can get it all. But like I said, try to do it at nighttime so that way it sits there on there. It gets to heal good. I think I overkilled that, but... And then I just... Looks pretty good. Put this back on there. Now you take this screen protector off. What you always want to do too is make sure you leave it facing down, so that way you don't get any dust on it. And then you kind of just drop it in there. Now, if you have any bubbles, again, like I said, most of them will come out within a day. If you do it at nighttime, that's probably best, because all these little bubbles will come out. What I like to do too is take the wipe and just try to push them out. And I have some bubbles, but they all disappear. We all know that. They all will disappear in 24 hours or so. Or if you want to sit here and work them out, you can. But that is a pretty sick install. Pretty good there. Gives you some space around the edges too, so that way the cases should fit on there pretty well too. Looks like I might have a little dust bucket there, a little bunny. But I can redo it if I wanted to. But that went on easy. These kits right here make it so much easier to install a screen protector on there. Now I do like how it covers it, look. Now how does it feel? Touch sensitivity is good too. Yeah, it doesn't really affect the sensitivity of your phone. Yeah, so if y'all want to pick this up, look in the description. I will have the links there. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.